Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and for my channel today I am going to be reviewing the Powerpuff Girls XX Revolution palette, and also the liners, the water activated liners. So I have those two things. I'm going to talk about the eyeshadows. I wanted to use one of each, one of Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup. So I use this dark blue right here, and it is really pretty. I had no trouble blending this. It was super pigmented. Great, I love it. Then moving on to the Buttercup side, I used this green shade, and I thought it was more like a moss color, and it kind of is, but it's a little bit more brighter than that. So I really liked how it looked on the eye. It just looked very bright when I put it on. Again, really great pigment and all. Okay, so then after that, I cut my crease. I used the AOA Studio Nude Soft Base Eye Primer. I've been using this more frequently and I really love it. Like at first I was like a little skeptic about it, but it's kind of like a mix of P. Louise and the Juvia's Place, because even though those look similar, they're completely like different. For example, the Juvia's Place one, that one's a little more watery and more drying, and then the P. Louise is more creamy and hydrating on the eye, and this is kind of like a good in between. I applied this bright pink shadow, and again, it's the same consistency. I really like the color. It's very vibrant. When I applied it right here, like in the kind of in the outer corner, it like mixed in with the blue, so it kind of created a purple. I kind of had that in mind that it was gonna happen. The mattes in here, they are really powdery, but not to the point where they create fallout on the eye. I feel like I went into liners first and then shimmers, so let's do that. I have the color for each girl and then their hair color as well. Today I used the pink and the black. For the brush that comes in here, you definitely want to wet it and then kind of like massage it into your hand to break down the bristles. This is what I used. I got a cap, like a bottle cap, and then I put in water, and then I put my brush in there, and then from there I put it into the little palette, and I made sure that the brush was coated, an even coat of the vibrant color. What I see in here is what I wanted on the brush, and then I went into my eye. Now I feel like less is more. You definitely want to build it up, because if you grab too much, then it becomes a little like clumpy. But I still feel like it's, even though I feel like this eye is a little bit more clumpy, it's still fine, like it looks good. But I prefer building it up because you avoid that little clumpiness. Just use the icy shade in here, cover the basics really. And I liked it, and I did apply a little bit over the pink. I didn't, like, it mixed together and it looks like I added a little bit of pink eyeshadow there. When I was thinking of using the pink one in here, like on top of the matte one, but I didn't. I have to say the black one, I didn't necessarily like that one just because I don't see myself using it in the future. I have very watery eyes, and so if I ever like lay down or anything, or if I cry because the eyes water so much, then I know this liner is gonna come down with it because it's water activated. The dark blue, I used it underneath my eye, and that is it. And I would just have to say I really love this. The only thing that it's like let down for me is the fact that there's a lot of kick up is that the word that I used earlier? So like once you put your brush in there, it's like a lot of powder comes out. I would say the eyeliners I'm kind of iffy about. I liked it at the end because I figured out how to use it, but it's not something necessarily I would say go get it, especially if you already have liner. I will say they haven't cracked yet. I really love this look. I will have to say that my cut crease are not even, but that's because when they're even is when I do them both kind of like at the same time. I'm taking turns, but today I did one eye and then the other eye, so it kind of messed me up, but it's okay. I do want to say for lashes, I used Lydia from Shop Miss A. In my waterline, I ended up using Pastel Dream eyeliner, and this is from LA Girl. It's really pretty. I love it. Very pigmented. And then I won't say everything else that I have on my face unless y'all comment and ask, but I will let you know what lipstick I am using. I'm using the Milani lipstick, and this is in shade Tease. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Okay, that is all. Bye guys.